Hello viewers, in previous video you have learned the position of letters from Alif till the family of Jim. In this video we will start the position of letters where we had left. So after family of Jim there comes family of Dal. So let's get started. As you know that Dal is a non-connector. So the word that we are going to write with Dal, that is Dracht. In Dracht these letters come Dal, Re, Khe and Te. This is a position of Dal or any letter in the family of Dal if it comes in the beginning of any word. So any letter in this family, if it will come in the beginning of any word, it will always be written separate. Mean we can't connect any letter after this because Dal is a non-connector. So Dal we will write in this way, and Dal doesn't have a short form also. Ray will also be written separate because again Ray is a non-connector. Okay, but these last two letters Khe and they are connector and they will be written together. Short form of Khe we will use up till here, and then full form of Te we will use because last letter of any word is written in full form. So this is Dracht. Dracht means tree. Now, if any letter in this family, if it comes in the middle of any word, the next word is Madad. Madad mean help. In Madad, these letters come Mim, Dal, and Dal. Two times Dal. Now, Dal is in the middle of this letter. Mean this is the position of Dal when it comes in the middle. And you can also see Dal at the end. So, this word will tell you the position of Dal in two ways. When it comes in the middle or if it comes as the last letter. Short form of Meme. Then how we will connect Dal? This Dal. First we will turn it a little bit upward and then downward. Dal. And after this Dal will be in non-connected form. You see that this Dal is written in connected form because before this Dal there is a connector Meme. So it can be connected. Like before any non-connector, if there is a connector we can connect. But after non-connector we can't connect any letter. That's why after this Dal, the last Dal is written separate. Now the position of Dal when it comes as a last letter. The word is Jald. Jald means soon. Jim, Lam and Dal. J, L, D. Now Dal is as the last letter and it will be written like this. Short form of Jim, then short form of Lam, and then it will be connected with Dal in the same way. Jim, Lam and Dal. This is Jal. If we put like in previous videos, another video I have made on movements. And if we put Zabar movement on top of Jim, it is Jald, means soon. And suppose if the same letter, like it will be written like this, but suppose if we put this movement Zair movement, if we put, it will become another word that is Jild. So this word we will pronounce Jald, soon, and this word Jild, and Jild means skin, or another meaning is also there, that is cover of a book. Next is the family of Ray. Now in family of Ray, the same rule will be applied that we have used in the family of Dal, but I want to show you that how this letter is written when it is written in connected form. When this Ray comes as a first letter, word is Rehna.
Re, He, Noon, Alif. Rehna.
Rehna is to live. Okay, and Rehte is like live. Like you say that we live in London. हम London में रहते हैं. So रहना is to live and रहते हैं live. How to connect? The first letter is Ray. Ray is non-connector, so it will be written separate. And then He is connector. It will be connected with noon, and noon is also connector. So after this we can connect alif also. Short form of hey, do you remember that short form of hey is written like this? Actually, there are three short forms of this hey, and over here this short form will be written when it is written as the first letter. I mean, after non-connector we are starting it. Okay, so that's why it will be written like this, and then short form of noon, and then alif. This hook is put at bottom of hay, that is the identification of this hay. So this is re, and then noon, and then alif. So this is rehna. Rehna is to live. Position of re when it comes in the beginning, and then position of re when it comes in the middle. Mera. Mera is used for my, and any masculine thing you say mera. We will use badiye because badiye gives a sound. Meem, badiye, re, and alif. Now re comes over here, like in between this word. Short form of meem you will write. Then short form of badiye is like this. Two dots underneath. Dots we will put after this, after making this shape. And then look how we will connect this ray with this. Like when you had connected dal with this, dal was a bit upward, okay? But when we connect ray, we don't make it upward, we directly turn it downward and give the shape of ray like this. And now two dots of ye we will put. Now one letter is left, alif. So re is non-connector. After non-connector we will not connect this alif, and it will be written separate. Mera. Mera mean my. Suppose my home, you will say mera ghar. And the next word is also ghar, because in ghar re is the last letter. There are only two letters, like ga with do chashmi hai. It is gha, and then re. Okay, so in ghar there comes these three letters, but we can say that two letters, because when the chashmi is connected with any letter, it becomes actually one letter. Gha, and then re will be connected like this. After this you can put this kash. So this is ghar. Ghar mean home. Like if you say mera ghar mean my home. This was the position of re when it comes in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Now our pairs are started. Pair is seen and sheen. So when seen comes as the first letter, a word is saza. Saza mean punishment. When seen is as a first letter, it will always be written in short form, okay, and in connected form. Because seen is a connector, it means that after this we can connect any letter. So this is a short form of seen up till here, and then we will connect ze with this. Ze and then alif. After ze we will not connect alif because ze again is non-connector. The next word is pasand, where seen will come in the middle. In pasand these letters are used, and pasand mean like. When you like something, we say pasand karna. Pe, seen, noon, dal. Pasand. How to connect these letters? And you know that pe is connector, seen is connector, noon is connector. Only dal is non-connector, but because this is the last letter, that's why we can connect all of these letters together. Short form of pe, then this is short form of seen, and now I'm going to write short form of noon, and then I'm going to connect dal with this. Okay. So see how I have connected all of these letters together. Once we make full shape, after making shape, we put the dots. 3 dots of pay over here we will put. Then seen is without dots, and then we will put this dot because this is noon. Okay, but another thing that over here noon is as a silent letter. That's why I have put this movement on top of noon, because it will give a sound. Like when you say pasand, pasand, you will not say pasnad, pasand. Now the last word I will write when seen or sheen comes as the last letter. So this word I will write with sheen. Like word is barish. Be alif ba, re, sheen. Barish. Now sheen is the last letter, and sheen is also in the pair of seen. Be, short form of be, and we will connect it with alif. We'll put one dot of be. Two letters we have connected, ba. Then re we will write separate because re is non-connected, and then after re we will write sheen in full form because this is the last letter over here. And this is barish. You can put this movement underneath, that will give e sound, barish. Our next pair is swad and zwad. A word I will write sirf. This is swad. Swad gives s sound, re and fe. Sirf mean only. Now swad, if it comes in the beginning, you will always use short form of swad, and after this you will connect the letter. Next letter is re. We will connect the letter like this, and then fe. So this is sirf. We can put zair underneath to give the exact pronunciation sirf. The next one is when swad comes in the middle. For that we will use this word masroof. Masroof is busy. In masroof, these letters are used. Meme, we can connect it with swad. Short form of swad is like this, and then we can connect it with ray. But after ray we can't connect wow because ray is non-connected. Again wow is non-connected, so after wow we will not connect fe with full form. So this is masroof. Now the last shape of this swad when it comes as a last letter. Word is khalis. Khalis means pure. Anything that is pure. This is khay, alif, lam and swad. Now swad is the last letter. Khay will be written in short form and we can connect it with alif. Khay, alif, kha. And again we will use the short form of lam. Lam short form, and we can connect it with swad. See how I will connect it. After writing the short form of lam, you will start from here and then you will give the shape of this swad, and it will be written in full form because this is the last letter. Next pair comes toy and zoe. With toy, a very famous word that we write tota. Tota means parrot. Toy doesn't have short form. It is always written in full form. So toy you will write like this in the same way, but you can connect it with wow, and wow is non-connected. That's why after wow we will not connect the next toy, but this toy can be connected with alif. So next toy will be connected with alif and it becomes to ta. Now you can see both of the position when toy comes in the beginning or if it comes in the middle. I will show you another word where toy will come in the middle of any word. The word is ghalati. Gain, lam, toy and choti. Over here toy is between this word. Ghalati mean mistake. Short form of ghain, then lam, short form of lam, then we will write toy and then we will connect it with choti like this. So you see that all of the letters are connected in this word ghalati, and the last word is ghalat, where toy will come at the end of this word. Ghain, lam and toy. You see toy is over here as the last letter, and how will connect short form of ghain again in the same way, short form of lam, and then we will write toy by connecting it with lam, and then we will put dot of ghain. This is ghalat. Galat mean wrong. Galati mean mistake and galat mean wrong. Now our today's last pair of this video is ghain. We have already seen the position of ain or ghain when it comes in the beginning, because in this word also where we were learning the position of toy, in this word ghain was as a first letter. Now I'll only show the position of ghain when it comes between any word or at the end of the word. If ghain comes in the middle of any word, the word is maghrur. Maghrur. Meme, ghain, re, wow, re. And you know, maghrur means proud. Now you see ghain is in the middle. So look carefully, because when ghain is in the middle, short form is a little bit different. How to make short form of meme, and when you will write the short form of ghain, first you will turn it upward like this much, and then to right side, and then again by turning it downward and making this pointed shape at the bottom. Actually this is the short form of ghain. Okay, and then you will connect it with ray. So this is ghain. This is how ghain is written when it comes in the middle, or if ain is there. Ain and ghain both are written in the same way. Three letters we have written, and now vaw and re. Now the last letter, where ghain comes as the last letter and at the end of the word. Farig. Farig. Now ghain is as the last letter. Farig means free. Short form of fail. Then we will connect it with alif. Re will be written separate because this is non-connected. And then ghain will be written in full form because this is the last letter. Farig means free. Thank you, viewers. In next video, you will learn the positions of the rest of the Urdu alphabets. Bye.